What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Audi Q7. I'll show you how to replace the battery on your key fob here, okay? So what we're going to end up doing is just removing this back panel right here. It's really simple. At the bottom of the remote, there's a little slot. There's a real little slot right here that you're going to use a flathead screwdriver. Stick it in here, and all you got to do is just pry the back cover off, okay? When you do that, the battery will be sitting in the back cover. And you can just pull it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. So the battery size is going to be a CR2032 with a positive sign down in the back cover of the remote like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link. Takes you to Amazon if you want to get some batteries. But we just, to replace it, all we do is just stick this back together like this, push all the corners down, make sure it snaps closed, and you're good to go. All right. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button.